Carne asada fries.
No.
Did you get some?
I didn't get nothing. What up guys, Tint My Ride. We got a new shop. By the way, if you are a business owner or you're looking to become a business owner and you want to upgrade your shop, please consider subscribing. We're going to be doing a lot of videos showing the progress of this shop since it's brand new, how it is now versus how it's going to be. So we were at the other location for 11 years actually. 11 years we were at the other location. And that location was good, but we only had like one bathroom. It was like just one strip, and it was just cars and a tiny little lobby. So this shop is gonna work a lot better. We also have a bathroom now finally for our employees. Oh, someone's in there. Okay. This right now, for now, this is where we're putting our film. You want to store your film, by the way, you want to store your film in an area that's closed off. You see how this here, we got this door and that door over there, it's fully closed off. So there's the least dust possible. Wherever you store your film, especially if it's exposed like this, if it's not in the box. If you don't have an area where it's enclosed like this, leave them in the box. Keep them in the box. Don't leave them out like this. So this is the garage space here. Here we have the beginning of the plotter room. So one of the plotters also, if we want to talk about business here, Tech, great company. I've been using them ever since we started Tint My Ride back in 2014. Tech. It's great, very, very good, but it's not necessary. If you're just doing window tint and PPF, I'll show you our other plotter. It works just as well, if not better. Here, this is just our plotting system. We just put the year, make, and model of the vehicle in. If you're actually interested in a deep dive of the cutting software and all of that, leave a comment down below and we'll make a whole video about that. And then here, this is the main work area. Like I said, we just moved in, so there's a lot of work to do. One of the things that's most important with a tint shop, vinyl shop, PPF, detail, this line of work is cleanliness. You want to make sure you want to be as clean as possible. So when we moved to this shop, we decided that we don't want to have a bunch of toolboxes everywhere, a bunch of workbenches everywhere. We're not a mechanic shop. We don't need that. So they're going to be using these carts instead of having toolboxes all over the place and taking up space that's unnecessary. We're going to be selling these tool carts on tmrfilms.com. I'll actually hook you guys up. The first few people to watch this video, leave a comment below. I'll give you a discount on it. Also, if you guys notice the floor here, this floor is very important. Now, one of the things, there's a controversial thing about it, is that it's hard to clean. Yeah, it's hard to clean, but it's worth it at the end of the day. Not only does it make your shop look nice, but it's anti-slip, so your installers, you're not gonna have to pay them any workers' comp. We're gonna end up actually doing the rest of the shop. We're gonna finish it. And if you want these floors, I can hook you guys up with these too, tmrfilms.com. Give you a discount on these as well. So here we have the tint section. These two bays right here. This is where we tint, and then over here is where we do the PPF and the vinyl wrap. We want to leave it separated just because different tools. When you're doing PPF, you're spraying a lot of water. It can sometimes get into the glass of the tinter. So you want to keep it a little bit separated when you're doing the work. We get a lot of Tesla customers. There's so many Tesla customers. So what we do sometimes is we'll give them a little charge while they're getting the windows tinted. It's a nice little upgrade that you could do for your shop too. They're pretty cheap to get. They're not very expensive to put in either. If you get a lot of Teslas, if you're in California or one of those states, you could get some EV chargers, and your customers really appreciate that. So obviously you also want to make sure that the environment you're working in is really good. We got these brand new heaters put in, all right? You want to make sure your employees are comfortable. You always want to make sure your installers are comfortable so they come out with the best work. Talking tools, this is just one of the tools that we use. Okay, it's a very important thing to have a tank. You don't want to be sitting there, you know, when you first open a shop, you're sitting there with a spray bottle like this. This tank here is worth it. If you guys want a deeper dive also into tools and different techniques we use to make things simpler, leave a comment. And here's some more tools we use: PPF tools, vinyl wrap tools, tuck tools. All these things we sell on tmrfilms.com too. Something we didn't have at the old shop actually was a basement. here at this shop we have a basement, which is really cool. For the next video, if you guys will leave just 10 likes, we're a new channel, just 10 likes, I'll show you the basement. I'll show you how it's actually beneficial for our shop and how it can possibly benefit your shop as well. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate you watching all the way to the end. There's a lot of things I wish that I knew when I first opened Tint My Ride. I want to take you guys through all those things and show you what can really make a difference between a shop that's going to succeed and a shop that's not going to succeed. All I ask in return is for you to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share with a friend, and we'll see you in the next video.